Hello, today we are going to learn how to solve problems involving angle properties. Here is a question. Line AB is parallel to CD, and you can tell from those arrows, on a couple of arrows here and the other two other arrows here. Line EG equals FG, so EG equals FG, both of them are equal. Angle AEG equals 110 degrees. Calculate the size of angle DGH. So DGH. Give reasons for your working out. Now, let me explain something about the three-letter angles. Sometimes you're going to see angles represented as a three letters, like this one here, AEG, but sometimes it's just one letter. Now, if around the point, can you see this angle here? Oh, that's what the point E. There are three angles around this point. So it's this angle here, AEG, and then FEG, so it's this one here, okay? And then it's a straight angle here. So there's three angles. So that's why it's very important to label them as a three-letter angle, so you know where your angle is located. And the letter in the middle, so if you run your pen along the line AE, the letter in the middle shows where the angle is. So AEG. Always run your pen along the three-letter angle, just like that, to locate your angle. It is very important. So we are going to find out the size of the angle DGH. So I'm going again to run my pen along DG, stop at GH. So this is the angle that I am going to find out in degrees how big it is. Now, if you find the three letters angled a bit challenging to remember, well, don't worry, there is a solution for that. I would advise you to relabel the angles with a lower letter. For example, angle AEG, I'm going to relabel it with a lower letter E. So only this one here is called the E, and I'm going to relabel this one with a lower letter G. It just makes the work so much easier. And I'm going to relabel this one here. I'm going to relabel this one as a lower letter A. This one is an A. And this one here, I'm going to relabel as a B. And I'm going to relabel this angle here as a F, lowercase f, okay? Lowercase f. And this is all to make the work easier, the working out easier. Let's follow steps. So underline the clues. I have AB parallel to CD. So when you have parallel lines, remember the corresponding angles, alternate angles, or interior angles. So one of these will help you to solve the problem. EG equals FG. Again, two lines equals, they're part of a rectangle and triangle, and that means this triangle is an isosceles triangle, and that means angle A equals angle B, because triangle EGF. So I'm going to write, because it says take notes what you get from the clues. So triangle EGF isosceles because EG, so this is because EG equals FG, right? Right in brackets, it's given in the problem, right? So you tell your teacher, whenever whoever marks your work, that is given in the problem, so you understand what the problem says, right? So that means angle A, put the sign of the angle is very important, equal angle B. There you go. Put a so in front. So angle A equals angle B. But how much is angle A and how much is angle B? Now we know angle E is, let's see, the little lowercase e is 110 because it's given in the problem. That means angle A and angle E, both of them are part of the straight line angle. So angle A equals 180 degrees. Take away 110 degrees, okay? equals 70 degrees. Because, or just put in brackets, E, angle E, and, see, angle E and angle A are angles on a straight line. On straight, there you go, straight line. Just like that. All right? And that means angle B is 70 degrees. And I put so angle B equals 70 degrees because I said it before, okay, from here, 70 degrees. Then angle F equals 180, put the right sign of the angle, 180, take away 70, right, equals 110. And again, in brackets, angle B and F, angles on a straight line. Angle B and F, angle F, are angles on straight line. So once you write it in a first line full, then the next one, you can write the short version of the words, abbreviation, it's absolutely fine. Right, so this one here is, we said 110 degrees. Now, line AB is parallel to line CD, and that means this angle here and this angle here are both. What type of angle do you remember? Can you see they belong? They are in this F shape. You see the F, the big F here? See? F shape. That means these two angles are corresponding angles. So F and G are corresponding angles. So write down here, so, and this is the final one. So angle F equals angle G equals 110 degrees as corresponding angles. Corresponding. There you go, it's corresponding. Just like that. See, we used all the data given in the problem and we wrote reasons, give reasons for your working out, which is, it's crucial in geometry. If you don't write reasons, then you won't be able to get the full marks because the reasons show that you actually understand the problem. Let's have a look at another question. Again, give reasons for your working out. Even if you have questions in geometry that don't try to give reasons for your working out, then you must, remember this one from me, you must give reasons for your working out. It says, work out the size of angle QSP. Again, QSP, it's a 3-letter angle. So start from QS, run your pen down QS, QSP. So it's going to be this one. It's going to be on the other side. Again, QSP. So this is the angle that we need to know. Right, so what do we know? So we have a triangle here, and variables are used for angles, interior angles. So you have x plus 5, angle PQS, and 2x minus 20 for QPS. Now we need to know the other interior angle, but we are given an exterior angle here, so 2x plus 35. So QSR is an exterior angle. Do we know anything about, is there any theorem about the exterior angle of the triangle? Do you remember? Okay, so the exterior angle of the triangle, it's a theorem that we looked at before. It is the same, so exterior angle, one exterior angle in a triangle, okay, is the same as the sum of the opposite angles opposite to the interior angle here. So exterior angle is going to be the same as angle, let's label this one lowercase p, and let's label this one lowercase q. So this exterior angle, it is angle p plus angle q, which means 2x plus 35 equals angle P is 2x minus 20 plus angle Q is x plus 5. So plus x plus 5, right? So 2x minus 20 plus x plus 5. And now here you have an equation, a linear equation to solve. Let's see what we can do. All right, so we keep the left as it is, 2x plus 35 equals, now we have 2x here and an x here, so 3x minus 20 plus 5 is minus 15. There you go. And now what we do, I always advise you to keep the x's on the left-hand side. It just makes the work easier. It's just a classical way of representing the solution for the equation. So the variable on the left-hand side and the numbers on the right-hand side. So we go to get rid of the 3x's here. So minus 3x on both sides, minus 3x. Okay, let's continue here. Right, so we're gonna have minus x. So let's cancel them out. We have minus x plus 35 equals minus 15. And then let's get rid of the 35 by doing minus 35 minus 35. So the opposite, always the opposite operation. So we have minus x equals minus 15 minus 35 is minus 50. Now we need to get rid of the minus 1 here. To get rid of the minus 1, we either multiply both sides by minus 1 or divide both sides by minus 1. Minus 1, let's divide. So divide by minus 1, divide by minus 1. Okay, and that's how we get rid of the negative sign. So x equals 50. So 50 is just the value of x, but we need 2x plus 35. So our angle, so angle that we need to know, QS, Q angle Q, S, P, let's put the sign of the angle here, is important, equals 2x plus 35. So it's going to be, let's substitute 2 times 50 plus 35. 2 times 50 is 100 plus 35, 135 degrees. Okay, that's it. Can you see how important it is to remember the rules that we learned previously about the properties of angles? And that's how we use those rules to solve problems and to find the sizes of angles. So it doesn't matter how they are presented, with variables or not variables. Now here, you are going to do your independent work. Again, slowly follow the steps and follow what you are given in the question. So you have a straight line, CDEF is a straight line. Remember the rules of the straight line. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. But remember, is for the angles that are back to back. So this x here adds up to this one here, 180. And this angle here and this one here add up to 180. And I can see we have a pair of parallel lines. So it's AB parallel to CF, all of this one. Again, think, is there a F shape or a Z shape is coming on, which means any corresponding angles or alternate angles that you can use. Calculate the size of the angle marked X. So slowly, then use all the clues you have, underline them, write down what you get from these clues, and good luck with your solution. Thank you very much for watching my steps. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.